Hey everybody, ML Toys here with another performance upgrade. This is our Stage 5 Peg Perego motor gear kit. This has been an extremely popular upgrade and has made Peg Perego vehicles a lot more fun. It works with any Peg Perego vehicle that has white gearboxes, so pretty easy if you're unsure of if it'll work on your car. Look if your gearboxes are white. If they're gray or black, it won't work. So once you get your gearbox out of your car, it's very easy to work with. You're going to unscrew your stock motor, which is just held on with these two screws. Save this little mount. You're still going to need this. Some Peg Perego gearboxes are screwed closed, not counting these screws on top. Some Peg Perego gearboxes have these little side clips that you pop off with a screwdriver. They can be a little annoying at first, but once you get them open, and we've already prepped this one, but got it open. So you'll have a final drive gear, and then after that will be this third gear. We're going to set these aside for now. A second gear, and then in this gearbox house, half stayed the first gear. This is the gear that the motor pinion gear touches. So this is the gear we're going to be swapping out on the gearbox. There's a couple of things we need to do to prep the gearboxes for the new gear. First of all, the gears are going to come with steel ball bearings. On some gearboxes, depending on when it was made and how much wear and tear is on them, these won't slide over the shaft. Don't force it on, you'll break them. What you'll want to do is take some 120 grit sandpaper or higher and just smooth the shaft down a little bit. It'll be very little sanding needed, if any. This one fits smoothly on here, so we can go ahead and slide this on all the way down to the bottom. Take one of our steel first gears, slide that on, and then a ball bearing on the other side. Okay, so that's prep one, is to sand that. The second piece of prep on this half of the gearbox, there's two little nubs on the outside of the gearbox where your old motor sat. We just need to trim those off with a small knife. They come off quick and easy. They're little tiny nubs there sticking up. That's easy to do. The final piece, once you start getting into the reassembly of everything, on some vehicles, on some gearbox molds that they had, these two towers are going to rub the gear. And if they do, it's going to grind, obviously. It won't work well. When you put it together, everything's just going to be too tight and not mesh. So you may need to cut those slits in the towers now. You may need to cut them down a little bit more for the gear to clear. Again, this is soft, easy plastic, easy to work with. The motors, to install them, it's pretty easy. We give you these universal motor mounts with them. The countersunk part, we give you countersunk screws that will go into the motor. And when you put them in, please use blue thread lock to lock them down into the motor. And then once they're on, you're going to slide a pinion gear onto the motor. Set the motor into the gearbox and look at the alignment with the gear. You want the pinion gear to line up. Let's see, if your gear is that way, your pinion gear is coming in from here. You want your pinion gear to line up evenly so that all the full width of the teeth are touching each other. If it's part way on one end or too far out, you're not going to get the maximum durability. So get that alignment. Use blue thread lock on the little set screws that we give you and lock them down so that the motor is locked on. Then your stock original motor mount, once you put all your gears back into the gearbox, your stock motor mount. Here, I'll set them back in. That's our first gear. That one's garbage now. Our second gear, our third gear, and our final gear. So then we can close up the gearbox. And once I lock it down, there we go. Your motor mount screws will go back in. And if I had this all the way locked down, the screws would be sticking out. And I could bolt the motor on using thread lock once again. And then we give you wire connectors for the motor to make them attach. Again, this has been a great upgrade for the Peg Perego vehicles, especially if you're going to go to 24 volts. It's going to give it a lot more speed, 4 times more power. The motors are going to stay cool. It's just it's fabulous. We like this upgrade. So, another improvement from ML Toys.